welcome to IWM Buzz. This is your host Shubhajit, and first of all, many congratulations for the second season.
Thank
Before we
you.
start, before we start talking about other things, ये क्या हो गया because of which the entire perception around, say the medical professionals, it completely changed, and that is the main plot line of, this season. But obviously, when you guys had worked in season one, you didn't know that something like this is going to happen, right? So, do you feel that sometimes, certain things can actually lead to a nice, balance in terms of, the narrative that you're saying? Because it's obviously not something which we want, like something like the COVID-19, but it actually came up as a plot. So, in an interesting way for your, second season. So, what do you have to say on that? Ayush, would you like to start?
Sure.
Yeah,
Uh, you know, it would be stupid not to delve in COVID because
yeah,
uh, when the show released, we were just
yeah,
just entering COVID. I remember the show
yes,
releasing on
yeah,
like the 10th of March or something like that, and then
yes, yes,
uh, and now it's probably been a year, and in the
yeah,
year, so many things have changed. Nothing changed for us because we were at home, and then we came
yeah,
back on set on MBBS 2, but to
yeah,
not include it would be wrong. So,
yeah,
in terms of that, I feel
yeah,
people will understand the point of view of doctors because
yes,
a lot of things were happening at that point of time which people weren't aware of, and we were reading in news
yeah,
articles that this is happening and
yeah,
this ये
yeah,
क्या हो रहा है, ये हॉस्पिटल्स में ये हो रहा है, अरे ये हो भी रहा है या नहीं हो रहा है, कोविड को लेके क्या प्रिकॉशन लेनी चाहिए, how much have the doctors sacrificed, all those things are
yeah,
something which I think the people should watch, and we are excited for that bit. Okay, how are people gonna receive that? Because we've included
yeah,
that in this show, the pandemic. So let's just see
yeah.
how it goes. अभी मैं ज़्यादा बोलूँगा तो plot ही दे दूँगा.
नहीं नहीं, of course, and second season है, आप लोग second year में हो अभी, तो obviously everything is gonna be double. But Sarah and Anshul, I would want you guys to carry forward this point. Ki when is that it would be stupid to not include the point of COVID. I think it's a very fair point because that's the reality around, right? So you got to include and incorporate certain things of the reality into what you are portraying. But ये कोविड के टाइम पे a lot of perception, I would say, regarding doctors change. Like, I don't know if you guys have seen it or not. There was this one doctor, I'm forgetting her name. She had danced in a PPE kit, and that video went viral on social media like anything. So it also brought a different side of doctors. कि हाँ, doctors सिर्फ पढ़ाकू नहीं होते. Doctors are also fun loving, and they're also people who love to party and enjoy themselves. So do you think कि ये सब जो है, these characteristics and traits, did you guys incorporate in your characters in terms of making your character a lot more lively and fun loving? I want to ask the
Yeah,
two girls this question.
sure. For sure. I think in season two, it's going to come out even more. In season one,
Yeah,
because we were in first year, they tried to show a little bit of our background and a bit of
yes,
the college life. But this time, we'll be so much more involved in the second year, and our
yeah,
personalities will come out even more. Not
yeah,
just in terms of us studying to be doctors, but us
yeah,
becoming mature human beings in the show.
yes,
So yeah, that's definitely going to be another side to look at. And yes, I agree. I mean, doctors, yeah, most of their life is about books and studies and exams and making it through. But
yeah.
I know doctors who have done some nasty shit in their life as well. But
Yeah,
that's not going to be shown.
yeah,
They're quite notorious actually. So yeah, I think like we will be reflecting a little bit on that during the show.
yeah, yeah.
But we see how much of that gets revealed.
Interesting. That makes it all the way more spicy and interesting. Anshul, do you want to add anything to that?
I think my character and Ayush's character, they do have this, entertaining arc to
Yeah,
the characters. So we had it
yeah,
more in season one, I would say, since we were
yeah,
dealing with COVID in season two. So
yeah,
we didn't really have a lot to do. Also, if we are dealing with COVID as a subject in season two,
yeah,
we can't deny the fact that because doctors are frontline warriors, right?
Warriors.
So they had
right.
to be included. And so, I mean, yeah, this was an integral part. And we being second year students, so we're not doctors also, but you'll see a
Yeah.
perspective of how these people dealt with it when COVID had just
Yeah.
entered India, because
Yeah.
nobody knew this was a new virus, right? They didn't know what
Yeah,
this
yeah.
is, and they were figuring out. So you'll get to see all of this in season 2.
Yeah. But I want to ask this question to the ladies out here that, we have always been like, when it comes to something like, the noble profession of being a doctor, the gender has never come into play. Whether you are a lady doctor or whether you are a, male doctor, it doesn't work. I mean, it doesn't matter. All that matters is your knowledge and your experience behind what you are doing. But, this COVID-19, because the show is about that, during COVID-19, we saw a lot of real life women heroes who were probably considered to be weaker by a section of the society, but they actually came forward and proved, to the world that, we are actually nothing less than men in reality. Yesterday was Women's Day. We celebrated a lot about that. So did you guys, when you were playing, you're doing this, taking this forward, do you feel that the doctors of the future, they will also take certain characteristic, inspiration from your characters? Obviously, there are people from whom they can take real life instances, but when it's a show about doctors, obviously you are studying MBBS. Do you think that your character will also have that slight side from where people can draw inspiration?
I think our characters do have
absolutely.
that thing that they are, because all three of us are very different. We come from different backgrounds. Our characters. So in the process, like season 1, season 2, we're all figuring out ourselves and the college life and where we want to be, where we want to take our careers and all of that. Through that vibe, I'm sure people will somewhere get inspired, and I'm sure in season 1 people were already inspired by my character. In this season, I think Nishant's character, people will get inspired by his character also, because he's also figuring out a lot of things. And I want to answer your first question also, that so as Ayush mentioned that my bhabhi is a doctor, so I saw her, I spoke to her, but she's already a doctor now. She completed her MD. And so there was nothing ऐसा कुछ नहीं था बहुत बड़ा कि ये होता है क्या होता है, because first year student they're also figuring out. So season 1 was all about
everybody
that.
exploring at that time.
Now coming to your second question, कि COVID के time पे these people were treated almost like gods, right? And I remember my bhabhi, all of us were at home because we were stuck. We were not allowed to go anywhere. Consider a patriarchal setup, and a lady, she's called back home, and there are no flights that are working. My brother, he had to drop her all the way road trip by road from Noida to Bombay. And it felt like a lady of a house is going in a patriarchal setup where men think that, they can do everything and anything. But now a lady is going, and we felt like, oh my God.
To save the world.
It felt like she's a soldier. It really felt like it. That she
exactly
went
the
there.
Point that I wanted to stress.
Yeah, I mean, because I experienced it. Yeah, it is. And me being a girl, I was so proud of her. So proud of her. And it's not easy to become a doctor, trust me. MBBS you finish after giving your NEET multiple times. 5 years you complete, and post that you have to do your masters as well, MD. That also you have to give exams. So it's not an easy job.
I think there was there was some kind of glitch, I think, in the middle. All right, so we have had enough serious questions. Now, before we wrap up, I have a small little segment for you guys.
I didn't answer.
It's a very simple segment.
Sarah is not done.
You didn't?
I mean, hello.
Oh you wanted to add something on that, right. Actually, this glitch kind of distracted. No, please do. This glitch kind of in the middle distracted.
I think a lot of our fans who have watched the show didn't just take inspiration. I mean, it's not about a girl's character or a boy's character. I've had multiple guys messaging me on Instagram saying how closely they can relate to my character. So all our characters, the way they've been written, and thanks to the makers and the producers, the way they've written it, it doesn't, I mean, there is no difference if I'm playing Nishant's character or Nishant is playing my character. The traits can be inter-exchanged. And that's what I think the audience take from our characters and be able to relate to those. And maybe like take those seriously later on in their lives and harness those. So yeah, that's it.
Interesting. So basically there's an inspirational side to all three of your characters, and I would look forward to that. Now I have a small segment. Basically it's a very simple segment, who's most likely to, lekin the questions are kind of interesting over here.
Where did you
so
go?
I hope you guys enjoy. Is he not here?
His video is not on. Can you see him, you guys?
No, I can't.
I think
I'm so sorry. My net only vanished. Like I tried.
That happens. It's a struggle. It's a struggle with Zoom and all these things. Right? It's literally a struggle in its own right.
Sorry.
No problem. So can we begin the segment?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So the first question is, who's most likely to be the drama king or queen on sets?
Anshul.
Hey, all of us, please, yaar. Why me?
Okay. The next one is, who is most likely to be lost in his or her own world on sets?
Sure.
अपने दुनिया में कौन खो जाता?
Anshul.
Every answer belongs to Anshul. Huh? Interesting. Okay. Who's most likely to be the subject of pranks? किसके ऊपर सबसे ज्यादा मजाक किया जाता था तीनों के बीच?
Anshul.
I don't think so. Like ऐसा, we were not pranked on ever, but
We used to have fun together.
Yeah, so this set was not a prank set. Like it was a very normal ऐसा set, ऐसा serious-ish.
So किसी के ऊपर वैसे prank नहीं किया गया. Interesting.
नहीं हम ऐसा.
Okay. Who's the biggest foodie among the three of you?
Ayush.
All of us. I think all of us love eating.
Yeah.
But Ayush can eat like big plates of food.
I remember we were in Pune and Sarah has a very close friend, Divya ma'am, whose house we had gone to. Sarah had offered us to go with her. I think the amount of food we ate at Divya ma'am's house, I think she was also astounded at the fact that खाना नहीं मिल रहा है क्या? जो इधर आके इतना खा रहे हो. But it was.
And all of us were feeling sick that day. We were like, नहीं, थोड़ा खा के निकल जाएंगे. We came back with our first button open, pant के सबके button खुल चुके जगह बना.
You're going to accommodate more space when there is no space at all. Huh? That's what it is.
But like, the only thing I look forward to is when am I going to get a chance to go to her house again? Like I have to go to her house.
नहीं खाना चीज़ी ऐसा है कि it's very difficult to resist.
Yeah.
नहीं खाना चीज़ी ऐसा है कि it's very difficult to resist. So I can understand mutual emotions out there. The last question ये है कि who is most likely to forget lines and take more retakes? I'm not sure who would want to take up the ownership for this.
I think we all collectively know. It's not about retakes, but I think it's about lines. Let's raise our hands to Sarah.
Okay. So finally we have a clarity in terms of the answer कि हाँ यही है. It is only Sarah in this particular part. Otherwise बाकी सब
Sarah gets very difficult lines because she is the studious one and she has to learn textbook doctor things. हम दोनों तो फिर भी अनपढ़ है. मतलब in terms of the show कि हम लोग इतना ऐसा दिखाते नहीं कि पढ़े बहुत ऐसा. Sarah knows everything and she answers it like that. So it's totally understandable to forget those.
I mean, if you have those difficult lines and you still manage to pull it off, nothing better than it. Because I think it's all about how you end and not about how you start. So अगर अच्छा ending हुआ, that is all that matters in the long run.
Exactly.
But wish you guys all the best. Thank you so much for joining us over here on IWM Buzz. God bless you all. Take care, stay safe, and keep entertaining your fans like the way you're doing. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. It's a pleasure.